particular details to be changed, you can remove the background, you can change the focus point, you can fit the image, you can also edit the image, right? You can also edit with AI this particular image if you want to, okay? Welcome back to the No Code AI Challenge, day 128. We've all spent hours in creating presentation, dragging and dropping every single element onto the page, but at the end, not being satisfied at all. But what if there is a tool that can create completely polished presentation with proper structure, content, and visuals with just a very simple prompt? Meet Gamma.app, the best AI tool out there which can create well-structured presentation, not just in minutes, but in few seconds. So me and my team have been building a SaaS platform called Bismate, which stands for Business Automate. And we are building everything that a small and medium scale business owners needs to automate in their service-based business. So today, we are going to create a presentation explaining about what this platform is all about, just to showcase how simple it is to create presentations for your business, whether it's product-based or service-based. Back to Bismate, it's packed with tools like project management, smart AI-based hiring, invoicing, and much more. While it's still in development at this moment, but we can still go ahead and create the presentation. So today, we're going to take that concept and build a presentation on it using Gamma.app. All right, let's head over to Gamma.app. So let's open Gamma.app, sign up for free. I'll sign up with Google. I'll use support@rit7.com account. Click on continue and we are done. Now it will take us to some questions. How do you plan to use Gamma for work, for personal use, for education? I'll put for work. I'll click on continue. What kind of work do you do? Creator, data, design, engineering. So we can make it as product because we're going to create it for product. Click on continue. Create a presentation from scratch. Turn my notes into presentation. Enhance existing PowerPoints for PDF files. Build a website. Create social media assets and so on and so forth. So let's say from scratch. Click on continue. Where did you hear about us? Let's say YouTube. On done. So we can generate content in 3 formats. Let's go with the popular one, which is generating with one-line prompt. I'll click on continue, but feel free to explore the other options as well, right? And now we can do presentation, we can do web page, document, and social. But today we are on this particular platform to create presentation. You can also change how many cards do you want in your presentation. Until 10 is free, and then you will have to take paid plans, right? You can also have default, traditional, alt, or tall. This is page style. We'll go with the default. You can also change the language. We'll go with English US as default. Now coming back to the prompt, I'll give a prompt which I've already copied. So I'm just going to paste it here and click on generate outline. By the way, the prompt says generate a pitch deck about our product named Bismate, stands for business automation. This product has smart invoicing, smart hiring powered by AI, project management tool, client management, HR management, and much more. Please create simplistic presentation with great visuals. You can also refer to bismate.io website for more details. So I'll click on generate outline, and in a few seconds, it'll generate the outline, which is what are the slides going to contain. Now, the first slide says Bismate, your all-in-one business automation solution. Revolutionize business operations with AI-powered tools. Streamline workflows, reduce manual tasks by 70%, single platform solving multiple business challenges. Second is the business pain points, right? And it gives some details, Bismate's core solution, and so on and so forth. Smart invoicing, AI-powered hiring and HR management, project and client management, pricing and market positioning, right? And then why Bismate. So I'll click on generate. If you want to change, you can make changes in any of these slides and then click on generate, and it will generate the 8-card presentation for us, right? You can see that it is generating right now. So you can see that it has added the image with certain things by Rit7 service, right? So this is the account that we have used, and that's why it is taking directly from Google. First Gamma. So click on show me. So it opens some pop-up here which shows a few walkthroughs of the platform. So we can click on this, we can click on this, click here, and let's go. It just asks you for a few details. I'll close it for now. Okay, I think the presentation is ready, so we can go ahead and check that. If you feel something needs to change, you can of course change it over here, along with the icon, and everything can be changed, right? If you need any particular details to be changed, you can remove the background, you can change the focus point, you can fit the image, you can also edit the image, right? You can also edit with AI this particular image if you want to. Okay, you can say true image for invoice module. Hit enter. It works on it and gets something better. Okay, so you can fine tune until you are fully satisfied. You come down, you can see what are the things that is got generated here. It all depends on how well you give the prompt and how much context do you give when you're prompting. So you can see flexible pricing for every business, starter, professional and enterprise, right? So you can make changes if you need to. And then Bismate, the clear choice. Why? 70% save time, 40% reduce cost, 3x increase productivity. You can change the unique selling points as well. And once you're done with everything, you can click on present directly from here or share a follow link, right? And you can also download it. You have options to change the layouts, the basic blocks, images, add videos and medias from here, embed apps and web pages from here. You can also add charts and diagrams from here, right? You can also have some forms and buttons from here. We are not going into detail of this because as of now, this video is all about understanding the basics of this particular platform. And if you go here, you can do some changes that you have done, undo, and version history, view source prompt. Okay, what was the prompt that we had given? Logo colors and fonts can be changed from here. Page setup can be changed from here. Exporting can be done from here. So I'm going to export. Okay, and we can export it as PDF. We can export it as PowerPoint. We can export it as Google Slides, or we can export as PNGs. So I'm going to export it as PDF for now. And you see our presentation is ready in just a few minutes with some changes. So here is the PDF. And this was just one example of presentation creation using Gamma AI. Whether you are a student, business owner, professional, or just want to share your idea, you can use Gamma to create engaging and eye-catching presentation in fraction of a time. So save this video and come back to it whenever you want to create a presentation, or create one right now and share it in the community as to what presentation did you create and how well it was structured. Meanwhile, I'll see you tomorrow in the next AI challenge.